Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will begin with two important content of the chapter 8 named Electromagnetic Wave. In this chapter, the today's important content is speed of electromagnetic wave and energy density of electric field and magnetic field. Speed of electromagnetic field. There are two cases. One is speed of electromagnetic wave means speed of light in air or in vacuum or in free space. And the second is in a medium. Actually, Maxwell explained about the concept of velocity in a medium. Concept of velocity. Velocity of what? Light, electromagnetic wave. In vacuum means in free space, means air, approximately all are equal. The speed of light depends upon the nature of the medium. About this fact, Maxwell explained a lot. The formula for the velocity of electromagnetic wave or light in medium depends upon the electric and magnetic nature of the medium, because electromagnetic wave has two components, electric field and magnetic field, which are perpendicular to each other. So electric property and magnetic property defines the speed of light. I think you know very well about permittivity of free space and permeability of free space. Permittivity of free space is it defines electric property of the medium, and permeability defines the magnetic property of the medium. That means the velocity in this case was derived like epsilon naught mu naught, and this value is equal to the speed of light. C, you already know C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So in air or in vacuum or in free space, this formula is very useful to find the speed of electromagnetic wave in free space or in air or in vacuum. But in a medium, the speed of light, its formula is given by this epsilon m and mu m. This is the permittivity of the medium, and this is permeability of the medium. You all know about the relative permittivity. The relative permittivity of a medium is equal to the absolute permittivity of the medium, that is permittivity of the medium, and permittivity of the free space. Generally, epsilon r, this is known as dielectric constant. But in case of capacitance, it is written by K. Now, mu r, relative permeability of the medium is equal to permeability of the medium divided by permeability of free space. You can write this formula here in terms of epsilon m is equal to epsilon r into epsilon naught. You can write here, and similarly you can also write here mu m is equal to mu r into mu naught here. In several numerical problems, this important concept is used. Also, E naught by B naught is equal to c, speed of light. It helps somewhere where there is required about the relation. In numerical problem, it might be used. Now, this is a important, I can say this is an important concept regarding the velocity of electromagnetic wave in vacuum and in a medium. Now, come to energy density. What is energy density? Energy density of what? Energy density means energy per unit volume. In terms of electric field and magnetic field, there are two components. I have explained it earlier. So, whenever we talk about the energy density, then we talk about energy density of electric field as well as energy density of magnetic field. So, the energy density of electromagnetic wave, it means the equal energy density per unit volume is distributed or associated with electric field and magnetic field. So, energy density due to electric field, that is the important fact here which I have to describe. So, energy density due to electric field, we have to calculate about that. Okay. So, energy density, that is energy per unit volume. You know very well that the electric field, the energy associated with electric field is stored in a capacitor. That means energy is stored in a capacitor is in the form of electric field, that is equal to half Cv square. This is very much important. And similarly, energy stored in an inductor, self-inductance of inductor is L, that is given by half Li square. Half Li square. I the current. Here is the capacitor where there is positive, negative electric field is along this, and here there is an inductor where current I and L is the self coefficient of self inductance. So the energy density, that is energy density of electric field, that will be calculated from this formula, and energy density due to magnetic field, that is stored in an inductor, that is half Li square, and that will be calculated by this formula. Means energy density, half energy density associated with electric field and half associated with magnetic field. Both are equal. We will see in the next class that what is the value. Here energy density is equal to energy per unit volume. This is the energy per unit volume. So energy stored in capacitor, that will be our energy density. Energy density of what? Energy density due to electric field and due to magnetic field. I will derive the formula for that in the next class. Okay.